Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Trimblysaurus Gaming Corner. So we're going to continue leveling this guy here for the Earthquake Uber Sunder build. So I actually did the very first quest already, so I forgot and didn't record, so I didn't spend the skill point that I got for leveling. So now it's just going through doing all of it. Had to play it safe with that.
POE slaves were once bought and sold.
Way too many mobs there.
The Beatles poet. Bring me back something nice.
Oh, and there's the flying cow. Alright. Now to find the waypoint. Then back to Ebony Barracks so we can turn all this stuff in the temple. I'm a little lost on what he was talking about for helping that guy out, sending him money. Sounds a little weird. There we go. There we go. Alright, climb this temple and we should be good for now.
This is the eternal way, pretty and lifeless.
Oh, on my way to piety. That's funny. I'm not that fast. Well, it can be, but it's not like I've been on too long to be that far. One. Two. Oh, I told him the wrong temple. Alright. Get back here. I will take the silver coins. Where am I going? Where am I going? Oh, back that way. Really? I need a moment. Freaky Friday. We all need to go. And that would be what killed my character last time. Holy crap, another one? Die, die, die. Good lord. You. He needs the waypoint.
You may go. cockroaches will come. Goodbye. You may go.
I'll save that for next. We're gonna run normal lab really quick, which will be nice. It'll help this guy out.
You getting by?
So. And now we're gonna call Cow. Hello, Mr. Cow.
What's up, bro?
Oh, nothing much. Just recording.
Yeah? First word I say after you say it.
Oh,
Yeah.
and I am
keep
sitting
in a
at the
hurry.
waypoint for the temple.
Okay. Yeah, alright, here, let's go. He's already in.
Ah, crap. I was gonna
Shoot.
spend my skill points, but I guess I'll wait.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
He's in where? Oh, he's already activated it.
Yeah.
Is he cleaning the whole thing out, or?
I don't know. But it's no. Oh, it's 33. Well, you're a tank, so you'll be fine. Me, I'll hurt. How much life do you have?
829.
Alright, well,
No
don't.
energy shield.
Alright, well, the traps will. Alright, let's see how we do. Oh, you're using War Chief already. Very good. Okay, yeah. So, careful on those will hurt. So,
I'm still trying to catch up.
whatever. What? Oh, I thought that was you with me. I was wondering. I was like, dang,
No.
you're killing him fast. That's him.
That ain't me.
Okay. Well, whatever.
I don't
They'll
have
just
War
stick
Chief
together.
yet. It'd be nice.
Yeah, I know. I was like, man, you're already using War Chief?
Not at my level.
Yeah, I think it's 28.
Oh, well then I can use it now.
So,
Ooh, that's
oh, it's a monsters. Great experience in here, though. Wow. Alright, this should be the trial right here. Yeah.
Trial 1.
I could get him to carry us through Cruel as well. Wow, get it done with. Well, and he kills everything for us, so
Ah.
that's kind of the key.
Close to the end of the poem one defiles the effigy.
Thank you for the waypoint, by the way.
Not a problem.
This guy's really nice. So,
See,
yeah, he
you
was
are-
telling me about how how in Venezuela it's like they have everything covered apparently in their bills, like so internet, power,
Yeah.
water, TV, it's all covered under one bill, and for him it's like $8 a month or something for all of it.
Stand should never outnumber.
So I'm like, well, I'll send him $40. I was gonna do 60, but and then yeah, so it gave me no option but to do 50, so it ended up having to be.
Oh wow.
So yeah, through Steam, I'm gonna send him a gift card, but I don't know how he can convert that to money to help pay a bill as well. So
yeah, I'm not sure either.
now I think we're gonna do careful. What am I trying to say? Bitcoin, I think BTC percent Bitcoin. He said BTC. Yeah, he uses his computer to farm. It's like where they gain access to it to farm this online currency or something. Have you ever heard of that? I can't believe I don't know the name of it at the moment.
I'm not sure.
It's not Bitcoin. It's something else. And so pretty much I guess you download a program, and then this company then can use it. It's like Logman to gain access to your computer and use it to farm this stuff,
Interesting.
and it's online currency, right? So that's how he earns his money. They pay him like $1 a day or something. He was saying that gas there is like, you know, it's like 10 cents a gallon or something. I'm like, what?
Oh, wow.
Yeah, but that's their main export, he said, I think. Alright, it's safe, bro. What time did you end up getting up?
9:30.
Nice. Same here, actually, literally.
Two different doors this time.
This looks very much like where I died.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Darts and all.
Can we not find a safer place to go?
This is it, man. Oh,
Yeah, I was gonna say, you're very brave because I see the marks on the ground.
oh, alright, so right here is where I'm standing. And, it seems to be safe. I put a hole through the wall. Alright?
Hold on.
Yeah. Yeah, right here at the hole in the wall. So you just stand there. Oh, shit. Don't go. Wait, alright. Wait.
Ah!
Alright. Heal. Alright. Damn it, I did it again.
Whew. Oh, I gotta wait for it to come up.
Alright, well, I'm gonna kill these guys so you get charges. Now you should have
Shit.
charges. Yeah, just run in a
Shit.
circle. You're good. Go. Nice job, bud.
Woo.
Alright. Yeah, those areas is the most dangerous. And what happened is my computer glitched, and I was stuck on a wall where the darts were hitting me, and I couldn't see which one it was.
Oh, wow.
So, yeah, back in the day, you would do /OSS or OOS, and that would resync everything. And they supposedly fixed it to where it's not supposed to happen. But like my computer, whenever I'm using a movement skill, like Leap Slam especially, and it's real fast and I'm jumping over monsters that are hitting me, then it glitches like that for some reason.
Wow.
Yeah. So there's an option called predictive mode, which is, I guess it's like it predicts where you're gonna go. I have a feeling it's to the left. You can go right as well, but it's not the right way. But so you can use a predictive mode. So I guess it helps predict where you're gonna walk. Or you can do one that's just, you know, it doesn't predict where you're going. You know. So yeah. And I did lockstep mode instead of predictive, and it fixed me from desyncing, but it lagged me some. Yes. Alright, and this one I think will be the left. The right one will go, you know. Alright, let's see. So
Ow.
I don't think it's that way, buddy. I think we need to go left. Wow. Guess it was this way. But we want to go left as much as possible, I think.
Ah, shit.
He keeps going that way unless he's looking at the video. Or darts, careful, fucking things. Darn it, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say that.
That's alright.
Anyone who listens to the stream or in the videos, I'm sorry, I'm trying to really not curse as much, especially with the bad words. Sounds ridiculous, but I do it so much it kind of just comes out, and I don't even catch myself usually.
Trial. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna attempt the cruel one. Not yet.
Well, he would have to clear it out.
Yeah.
So, alright, let's see, where am I going next?
but like I don't even have instant blast yet on this guy.
Yeah, yeah. Alright. I think we're good. Yeah. I wonder how many, oh, we got 3 keys. I'm taking 1.
Did he not? He didn't even take the others.
Yeah, so I just, don't worry about it. I
picked
took
him up.
1. Yeah, there you go.
Emperor, you are worthy. Before the goddess of justice, you are
Oh, what was my juggernaut?
our blessing. What divides the conqueror
Wow.
from the conquered?
All jewels and belts and rings. Nice. But when did...
I went with juggernaut like last time.
Very nice.
All right. Opening.
Gem cutters. Woohoo. Scouring. Nice. Word of Ire when hit. I think that was a good one, actually.
Trigger word of reflection when hit.
That might be another good one.
All right.
And
Yeah.
that's good to get those. For me, that's a huge damage increase. Can't believe how many jewels I got out of that one box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 jewels.
Oh
8
wow.
jewels. Yeah, out of the one box at normal lab, I doubt any of them are good. But well, I lied.
All right. Now I need to go to the sewers.
Alright, so 1631. Oh, darn it. Oh, 5 decks, and really? Wow.
Tread carefully.
Wow. Alright.
Oh hey, I can start using Sunder.
I was waiting for you to say that, actually. It's funny.
Oh, reflect creates another me. He only does regular attack though.
It's okay. You're gonna kick some butt. Oh, requires more deck. Son of a gun. Oh, 2 points. That's what I need to spend. Oh, I don't want to waste points on that. Shoot. 2245. 2309. Alright.
Oh, dudes, I don't think so. Hmm. I win.
To keep selling all my armor scraps and whetstones for wisdom scrolls. It's
If you need some, just let me know.
okay, man. Thank you. Alright, let's see. So Ebony Barracks is where I'm going to. 28.
Invite to party. He wanted Aberrath Goat Horn. Where is it?
I actually think that people make builds off of that. Based around those two little wands. But maybe they run it with, that's the burning one, right? Increased burning damage?
I think so.
Yeah, okay.
Alright.
So I don't know if you want me to be in the party with you. I'm now going as fast as I utterly can to level to catch up to the 55.
Not a problem.
So,
You mean 58?
well, yeah.
Because after you logged off last night, I got to 58.
Yeah, I saw that you got to 57.
Yeah,
But,
and I was close to 58, so I was like, eh.
yeah.
Oh, see, you're already leaving behind bodies. There you are. Do.
This area was already one level above me. Watch out for Cole in here. Yeah, and I only have 853 life because I run so many uniques to do the LA damage, you know?
Yeah.
But I rely on damage as my offense or my defense. Kill it. Hey, there's a Chaos Orb here. That's yours.
I missed a Chaos Orb. What's wrong with me?
It's okay. My sexy character blinded you.
Very true.
So, everything else alright?
I think so.
Awesome.
Alright.
Yeah, you can see the chain applying right now, huh?
Yeah.
Well, wait until you get multi-strike. You know, there's a... this is... I need a spell. Oh, that's right.
Mine.
$3,500 damage. But I need to have a spell I can cast that doesn't take forever. Oh, hello. Use Flame Dash and it takes a long time. What else would work? I guess Blade Vortex. Or Ethereal Knives, but...
True. Oh.
Well, I'm gonna be running
You are truly Kitao.
Blade Vortex anyways,
Corruption.
so I may as well start leveling it up.
I'm gonna hit my huge life bump here in a little bit.
Oh, nice. I had to drop some down a second ago.
10 nodes of life.
Ooh, nice.
I hate this area.
Is it the Scion life wheel?
Yes.
Nice. Okay. Oh yeah.
I think so.
Yeah, it's like a big circle.
Yeah, well, rectangle.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Well, one of the things is it's actually almost more beneficial to go up and to snag discipline and training because it's got flat physical on it. Or flat life, excuse me. But yeah, it depends how much of the Scion life wheel. If you only get like 3 points of it, then it's better to go the other way. Alright,
Yeah, no choice. It goes into a circle.
yeah. I figured it did. I was watching you, and normally I go right. You know, it's just me, but
Oh no, I went to the right.
I figured that once I saw you run, I'm like,
Just brought me all the way back here.
that chain is pretty crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
But for you, there's a one-handed weapon that I think you sold, and it's level 28, I think, or it might be lower, and it has socketed gems that are supported by multi-strike, which is, yeah, and I think it does decent damage for the level it is. But having multi-strike, you know, 10 levels earlier or whatever it is,
Yeah.
pretty absurd. That's like Reverberation Rod has Spell Echo, you know, at level 24. When normally it's a 38 gem. Congrats me.
Woohoo!
Oh, nice Amber one. Hey, wait, yeah. I like getting amulets that have flat stats on them at low level. I really like to get. Oh wow!
Christ, dead end.
I needed that Blade Vortex. That was funny.
And it's a superior.
Yeah. That was what I was going with. 15%. Using sweep.
Yeah. I haven't grabbed Sunder or Earthquake yet.
Well, I mean, personally, sweep is great. Especially if you use that one weapon that gives you socketed gems supported by that level 18 increased area of effect.
Yeah.
Plus, yeah, that's huge. That's a lot. Frostblade is pretty OP at leveling. Kind of like Sunder is, but Sunder, you know, yeah. I wonder what the best one-handed weapons to use, or best weapons to use with Sunder are.
Not sure.
Because I always felt like going with, you know, multi-strike and fast, you know, attack as fast as possible, which would be a one-hander, you know, or two one-handers. But you know, that could be way wrong. I don't know. Grats.
Yay, grats me.
Yours or mine? Mine?
Mine. Alright.
It's funny how we're both the same level again, unintentionally.
I know, right?
You would have leveled it last night, and then you saw me getting close and waited. Which, in that case, thank you.
Sure, we'll go with that theory.
Oh. Thought you loved me.
Theories are, you know, kind of pointless.
You're so
No one really
evil.
asked for them, and people give them anyways.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see here. Oh, there's the door.
Crazy ass chain. I haven't gotten any jewelry with elemental damage on it yet. Thought about it, but I didn't. Alright, here's the skill point. Nice. Back into life.
You've done your ancestors proud. Now, here's your warrior's death.
Where'd you go?
This is gonna hurt.
I see that.
Did you taunt her with like enduring abyssal cry?
Nope, I don't have that yet.
Oh.
I just tossed my totem out.
Something taunted her because she didn't attack me, which was good. You know, I would have probably...
No, she was attacking me.
Yeah, worked out well.
Alright.
Alright, I think I can use new flasks, luckily.
Cyclone, Ice Crash, Earthquake, Ancestral War Chief. Getting that bad boy.
Dun dun dun. Oh, you can get good health potions now. Or mana potions.
Goodbye, exile. Unfortunate.
Critical Strike Multiplier, Good Life. Maximum mana, 22 to Fire Resist, 14 to Lightning. It sucks.
Come over here.
So,
Bring me back something nice, eh?
alright. And now I'm picking up all my life. Yay! Almost into the thousands.
Yeah. That's kind of what I'm trying to get, just life on jewelry right now. Don't forget, you remember the ring that you had that was a lot like that? Had flat physical life and res on it, and it was level 28. You found one, just like the one I just linked. I would look for that. You know, I don't know if you're using it on the other guy. I don't think you were.
I don't think so.
Because you needed one more res. So I would check for that real fast, because it's a pretty good ring you had.
That one?
I didn't see it.
Oh. I sent it to the wrong person.
It's okay. Yes, it wasn't that one, it was another one, but that one's great. That one's very good. Actually, you know what, it may have been that one, yeah, because it had lightning and life regen, yeah. So, and I don't know what else you can add to that. You might be able to add, like, strength or dex, which is going to help you a lot. I think I would like to get gloves. Let's see, so I go from 2200 to 2800 with those gloves. Jeez.
There's no life on that ring, though.
Yeah, correct. Dang. Alright, so I'm looking for a helmet now that's got life and reses. You know, I've died so much now that I'm, you know, and we've been just kind of trading stuff out with everyone. That
Yeah.
it's hard to know what gear anyone has left.
Mm, Not sure if that'll help you.
Actually, that's the one I was thinking of. Are you not going to use that?
No.
Alright, one more second, I'm looking. I think I died with the one I really like, which was similar to that. Yeah, would you put that in the guild bank for me, please, good sir?
Which one?
Oh. I can't use Rage Brow, so the Vengeance.
Okay.
And you sure you're not going to use it?
Yeah, I'm sure. I might use the Rage Brow.
Well, I mean, it's higher level, though, is the thing with it.
Oh shit, that's right. I still got 2 more.
Okay, man.
I'm still looking though. 27, 31, so I can use Geoffrey's Baptist Mall. Seven. Belt of the Deceiver.
It's a good belt. It's great, actually. Alright, would you put that helmet, if you're sure it's okay?
Yeah. I was just checking for more stuff, but I'm not seeing
Yeah.
anything else.
It's alright. Thank you.
Under Zerg's tab.
Okay, I see it. Thank you.
Not a problem. Alright, and I will be right back and...
Awesome.